Hey there, I'm Jennifer Bands, and today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this cracked slaw recipe, which is only 20 minutes. Okay, the first thing we need to do for our cracked slaw is we've got a large skillet we're going to heat over about medium heat, and I've got some breakfast sausage, pork breakfast sausage, that is just, you know, whatever breakfast sausage you like. It doesn't have to be a special kind. You can use mild, you can use hot, whichever one you like. And we're just going to cook and crumble it until it's cooked through. It's going to probably take about 5 or 8 minutes. And you don't need any oil in the pan. The sausage has got plenty of oil in it. It's going to release the fat. And while it's cooking, and when it's finished cooking, if there's a lot of excess fat in the pan, we're going to want to remove most of that. Okay, our sausage is almost cooked through. It really didn't release much fat at all, so we don't really have anything to drain off. I'm going to stir in 1 cup of chopped mushrooms, 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of ground, or not ground ginger, but minced ginger, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, or if you need gluten-free, you can use tamari, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Okay, I'm going to cook this for about just a couple of minutes, and I'm going to scrape any of the brown bits from the bottom of the pan. This recipe is so easy, and it makes 4 really nice servings that are really great for meal prep. Okay, now I'm going to add 4 cups of shredded cabbage. And we're going to cook this until the cabbage is wilted. It's probably going to take about, I don't know, 5 or so minutes. But that's the last step of this recipe. It's so easy. Okay, this recipe is finished. You could garnish it with a fried egg. I'm going to garnish it with some green onion and some black sesame seeds. But how amazing does that look? Let's try. I'm going to turn off the heat. Let's try a bite. So good. Has so much flavor. And it was ready in less than 20 minutes. Divide this up into 4 servings and make it for meal prep for your lunch. Put an egg on top, fry some eggs, or like you could fry one the day of, so it'd be a fresh fried egg. But yeah, make this recipe. It's super, super yummy. It is very similar to an egg roll in a bowl. Honestly, I don't know what the difference is. Maybe egg roll in a bowl really doesn't have mushrooms in it. Egg rolls typically don't have mushrooms, I don't think. But I'm not an expert in egg rolls, so I don't know. But anyway, check out this recipe, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.